Welcome to Outgrow. In this video, we'll connect Outgrow with Notion so your lead generation and workspace stay perfectly in sync. Start by heading over to your Outgrow dashboard and opening the content piece you want to integrate. Inside the builder, move to the Configure section and open Integrations. From the list of available apps, select Notion and click Authenticate with Notion to begin the connection. You'll be redirected to Notion, where you'll log into your account if needed. Next, choose the workspace you'd like Outgrow to access and click Allow Access to authorize the integration. Once authentication is complete, you'll be taken back to Outgrow, where you can configure how your data will be stored. Then you'll be asked how you'd like your data to be sent. You can choose Proceed with Database if you want every response to be stored directly in a Notion database, or Proceed with Segment if you want to organize responses into a specific segment. Next, click up Proceed to Map Fields. Select the Notion database where you'd like all your leads or responses to be added. This database could be used for social media content calendar, people, surveys, or any workflow you manage inside Notion. This is where you'll match the information collected in Outgrow with the corresponding properties in your Notion database. You can use Automap to match common fields quickly, then manually map any custom fields such as quiz name, source, and more. Once everything is mapped, go ahead and test the connection. A confirmation message will indicate that your integration is active. If needed, you can also enable double opt-in via email or SMS in the final setup step. Before making it live, it's always a good idea to run a quick test. Submit a sample response through your content, then click on Task History to check your leads. It may take a few moments for the new lead to appear, so don't worry if you don't see it immediately. Once it shows up, you should see all the mapped details. If everything looks correct, your integration is working perfectly. Once you're satisfied with the setup, publish your changes, and that's it. Your Outgrow and Notion integration is now fully configured. Now your interactive content isn't just collecting leads, it's automatically organizing them in a central workspace where your team can collaborate, track progress, and take action without any manual data entry. Ready to streamline your lead management and automate your workflow? Start your 7-day free trial with Outgrow and connect it with Notion to keep your data organized